So this XAUUSD analysis for Monday the 8th of October. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So here on the XAUUSD, previously we found support in around the 11.99. We've had prices test the 12.04.69, counter resistance around 12.44.69, posted a somewhat lower high. Saw this sharp acceleration momentum here to the downside, taking us through the 11.99 and that 200 period moving average to down towards this 11.93 where we are at present. So if we trade through the 11.90, the very next level of note here is a move down towards this 11.85.32, successful break from which then looking to target that 11.80.42 for a true test. We came within a couple of cents last time here in late October, but we'll be looking for a true test of that 11.80.42, and if we do see continued sell side momentum beyond the 11.80.42, very next level of note here to the downside will be moved down towards that 11.70. 11.70.63. If, however, we do find support in around that 11.90 or the 11.85, looking for a move back up towards 11.99, successful break from which we target at 12.04.69, which has proven itself to be a very difficult level to navigate beyond so far, and beyond that, we're looking for a move up towards 12.11 before targeting that 12.14.26 here to the upside. 12.14.26, very important level here on the XAUUSD. Now, we've been trapped in a range for quite some time now, but first we'll have a look here at the weekly chart. So on this weekly chart of the XAUUSD, we can see here we've had this accelerated momentum here to the downside, but we do have this bit of a base building action developing on the XAUUSD. Currently, we've not seen that continued sell side momentum. Despite seeing this pullback, we've not seen the return of that continued sell side momentum. So if we do continue to hold in around that 11.99, and we can break and hold the 11.99, possibly looking for moves up towards that 12.20s here on the XAUUSD, with somewhat counter to this trend which developed since let's say April, when we did see that rather consistent sell side momentum come into the market here on the XAUUSD from a weekly chart perspective. But over the past couple of weeks, we've gone to this consolidation around this 11.99. So if we do continue to hold this 11.99, may just see a counter trend move and a bit of a development here to the upside on the XAUUSD. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart. So on this daily chart of the XAUUSD, we can see more clearly the ranges has developed as we've oscillated between 11.99, that 12.04.69, and essentially that's 11.90. More recently, we've seen the acceleration down towards that 11.80.42, found support, had this rally back up towards that 12.04.69, from which we've encountered more difficulty, and at present we've broken it below the 11.9. So we'll see if we do have that return to the previous lows in around that 11.80.42, and if we do successfully navigate that 11.80.42 at the very next level, meaningful level here to the downside, would possibly then move down towards 11.60, our previous lows here from August on the XAUUSD. Should also be aware of that 11.85, as we've previously found support at that 11.85 after we did find support at 11.60. So we had a move down towards 11.60, found support in around 11.85 for the acceleration up towards 12.14. So we'll be aware of the 11.85 and at 11.80.42. Beyond that, from a daily chart perspective, we're looking for a move down towards that 11.60 here on the XAUUSD. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.